The biggest breakthroughs often come when you study your particular business challenges and opportunities from a very different perspective. I mean, after all, the value of history is how it forms your habit of thought after you've forgotten the facts. It teaches you how to think, not just what to think, and learning how to think is absolutely invaluable. Now, every business faces intense competitive interaction, and so did generals on battlefields. And as a result of those interactions, you get very interesting insights on leadership, culture, and strategy that transcend time. So the best way to have an offsite with a battlefield is not to go and just nerd out on the details, but to go and addressing very specific business challenges and opportunities. And look at a particular, select a battlefield and look at that battle or that historical event from the perspective of those very specific challenges and opportunities that you want to look at. And when you then apply those insights to your business, you've got a shot at $1 million idea.